My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the browser notifications that come from the site Place-for-you.life. Place-for-you.life is a deceptive pop-up attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to trick people into subscribing to its numerous pop-ups and ads that will be displayed as permanent push notifications. So the website tries to trick you into clicking on this special allow button. But if people do that by mistake, they may be soon redirected to some other questionable websites, and also they may start pretty soon receiving the great portion of ads displayed as random push notifications. It is definitely a mistake to click on allow button, and this means you will start getting randomly pop-up ads in the right part of the screen. This is what you can do to deactivate these ads. Access the menu Settings, choose Security or Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings, go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this malicious site, you need to remove it from this list. I also recommend researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this official page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and then start researching your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-Ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.